10 the most interesting facts about Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is overflowing with natural beauty, and with history. Let's discover the most interesting facts and figures about the Horseshoe Falls, American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls, which collectively come together to make up Niagara Falls. 1. The word Niagara comes from the Iroquois word Ongwer, which means the strait. 2. Niagara Falls has moved back 7 miles in the last 12,000 years. 3. Niagara Falls is actually made up of 3 separate waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, named for its resemblance to a bride's veil, and the largest, the Horseshoe Falls. 4. The first person to survive a trip over Niagara Falls in a barrel was a 63-year-old schoolteacher. Seeking fame and fortune, Annie Taylor loaded herself and her cat up in a barrel and descended over the falls in 1901. 5. It is illegal to make an attempt to go over the falls, and those who do so are fined $10,000. 6. The falls at Niagara are approximately 12,000 years old. 7. The falls have only ever stopped once, in 1848, for 30 hours when ice fields from Lake Erie jammed at the source of the river. 8. More than 168,000 cubic meters or 6 million cubic feet of water go over the Horseshoe Falls every minute during peak daytime hours in the summer. 9. Niagara Falls is the largest producer of electricity in New York State. 10. The crest line of the Canadian Horseshoe Falls is 2,200 feet wide. That's it for today. If this video helped you know more about the world, please like and subscribe to the channel.